I wanna know what the word is when somebody like you's in the building. Place on fire, I'm so lit. You're just it, you're all I want. Kicking back for a minute. When I can't keep my cool, come get it. Let's turn in, turn lights out, play fight now. Oh, oh. You went and took it to the floor, to the chairs upstairs, to the bed, baby, give me some more. Cause you know my mind, stay by my side. I wanna ride, like ride or die. Love you for life, you turn me on.
Morning guys, and welcome to another vlog. I can't remember when was the last day that I vlogged, because last week we did a haul, and yeah, I cannot remember. So we're just gonna start fresh from today, because this weekend is gonna be a little bit exciting. I have a few things to do. I am going just to pack my bags because we are gonna go and stay in the city today, because we have an event with Stacks, that is like an amazing brand that I work with sometimes. So we're just gonna go to that event, and I have some work to do there. So we're staying today in the city, and then tomorrow I have my friend's birthday, and I'm taking you with me to the event and everything that I'll be doing this weekend. So let's get started. Already went to the gym. I walked Valentino for a bit because it's raining. Like seriously, it's so cloudy, like it's so moody. It's just like it doesn't look like spring. It's not cold, but it's just like, seriously, why Sydney? But anyways, I walked Valentino for a bit, and then I just went to the gym. So I only went like for 40 minutes, and then I just came, got ready, like had a shower, got ready, and then I'm just gonna have my probiotics. I usually have these before my coffee, but this morning I was in a rush and I forgot it. I think I told you something about this brand that I discovered. The name is Imbibe, I think is how you pronounce it, I'm not really sure. But basically is this beauty renewal, which are like some probiotics, and it's like for gut health and for skin glow, which is great. Like seriously, we don't really take care of our gut health, and it's really important. So I've been taking these, and I've been taking too, hold on, this collagen from them. So this is what I take in the morning. I keep this one in the fridge, and this one I just keep it outside, but it's just like basically miracle collagen.
But you keep me guessing, I heard it's what you like. Take your time, I'm here all night. If that's what you want. Players hate for a minute, cause they don't really know how to come with it. When we turn out, sun rays out, shining.
We have arrived to the hotel. I packed my bags. I thought I was gonna do like a little pack with me video, but no, it didn't. Like there was no time to do that. I was running so late. So we got here, which is great. I love this hotel so much. I've stayed here a couple of times, and it's just like so good. I'm just gonna do a room tour for you. It's very small though, but let's do it, okay? So we start here, and hold on. Oh, it's too dark. Like seriously, Sydney is just being horribly dark. So this is the bathroom, which I think is super cute, and it has like a cute bath that goes, you know, like you can see the bathroom from the bath. And then it has a closet, which is this one, the one with the mirrors, which is good. So I got my bags here, And then we got the bed here is super comfortable. So here is the bed, and I was already there. So, and yeah, that's all it has. Like, of course, the TV, and then a coffee machine, and then just like a desk. And we are in the 20th floor, which is quite high, but the view is just like to these buildings here and to the street. Probably when it's not like overcast, it could be like really cute. When I stayed here last time, it had like a really good lighting. So everything is really small, but I think it's super cute. I brought a couple of outfits to see which one works better. I had something in mind, but then I'm not sure. Like, I have 2 outfits, and we are gonna decide what I'm gonna wear today for the event. And I'm just gonna get to work because I have a few things to do before the event, and I'll see you guys around. Little update, I finished work, and then I just put a mask on for tonight because I want the skin to be glowing. So I did a mask, and I'm just gonna do my skincare routine, and I'm gonna start getting ready. So about the outfit, I just brought one. Like, I thought I had 2 options, but I just packed one, so we won't have to decide, which is good because sometimes I've had problems deciding what I want. I'm using today this clay mask from Savia. You know, guys, I love that brand. They are amazing. The products are just amazing. Like, every single person I've recommended the products, they just love it so much. So this one is one of their masks. So I'm just masking here. So we're not choosing the outfit, but we are getting ready today. So I'm just gonna leave these for 15 minutes, then I'm just gonna wash it off and we start getting ready. So let's get started. So I had a shower. A very quick shower. I just couldn't wash my hair. Like, I had this whole plan of having a bath, washing my hair, like so many things, and you know, so we're just gonna do like a very quick makeup. As I said, I was filming, so I have like a little bit of makeup, not much, only like some BB cream. I just wash my face in the shower, but only with water. So I'm just gonna remove whatever I have left with this konjac sponge that I use. I'm just gonna go over here as well, just a little bit. So I just get rid of all the makeup that I have on. I'm just gonna put a little bit of moisturizer, and I'm gonna use this one from Savia. I just put a little bit on my hands, and then I just go all over my face. I love Savia products, and this moisturizer is just perfect. It's very humid, so I don't want anything heavy. Just gonna do this properly. All right, I'm just gonna let my skin absorb that, and in the meantime I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows, but I'm just gonna do it in the mirror. Since I did my eyebrows, it's just like so easy. All I do is just like brush them, and that's it. Just gonna do this Pore Professional. I'm just gonna use this one product. I just use this one when it's nighttime. I just think the skin looks like super nice with it, so we're just gonna do that one. Just gonna go all over. I put it on my nose, and then like in this part that I just think that my pores are the most open, so I just go like this. So this is gonna be like a very quick, super simple makeup. I'm just gonna use this foundation. I usually don't wear foundation, only when it's like when I'm going to an event or you know I'm going out, but most of the time I use just my BB cream, which is amazing. Like, seriously guys, if you haven't tried and you are looking for something for every day, this is amazing. We didn't bring the brush for the foundation, but that's okay because I like doing it anyways with my fingers. I like using my fingers for my makeup. They said that it's better to use your finger because it's like less bacteria. I always wash my hands before touching it, like before doing my makeup and stuff, so apparently it's like less bacteria and stuff when you use your hands. So I'm just gonna do this in the mirror because I am not able to see this properly in the camera. I'm just gonna press it like this as I do with the brush. So I kind of like press it into the skin. I'm gonna go with the eyes. I usually do, I forgot everything. I didn't bring the brush for the shadow. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. It's my contour stick, and I'm just gonna use it like on the crease of my eye, and I'm just gonna blend it. I just didn't bring what I needed to bring, but you know what, that's okay. We just have to go with the flow. Then I'm just gonna use this one that is a little bit lighter, and I'm just gonna put it inside my eye, like in this part of my eye. I don't even know what I'm doing. Can I blend this with that? And I'm like blend, blend, blend. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. It doesn't work. I swear, in the mirror it doesn't look that bad, but I think in the camera it does. Hey. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. This is embarrassing. Like the worst makeup tutorial of all the time. Like, who does this? Just me. I'm gonna do my mascara now, and I'm using this one from Maybelline. I have like lots of trouble finding like a good mascara because my eyelashes are just like super straight. So everything that I put on just kind of, when I curl them, they just go down. This one has been working good. It's actually nice and makes your eyelashes look longer. I really have the feeling that this doesn't look that bad because the lighting is really good, or it's beautiful and kind of soft in the bathroom, but I am scared that I'm gonna look funny when I go to the normal light. So I learned this trick to contour my nose. So I just use a little bit of contour like powder, and then you just go over like that. Oopsie, I think I put too much. It didn't work. Okay, looks like it didn't work. Oh, it did? I don't know. I'm just gonna do a little bit of blush, and I think we're ready. We have a bit of better lighting here, so no time to get my hair done, or to do my hair. So I'm just gonna do a bun, like a sleek bun. So this is a trick that I have, and it's instead of using like lots of hairspray, I just use like a treatment, like a mask, and I just leave it on. So I usually do this when I'm gonna wash my hair next day. So I just use the mask and just leave it on, and it makes the hair like super sleek, and at the same time you are just hydrating it. So it's actually a win-win. We're just gonna brush the rest of it, and I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. So trust me on this one. I know it looks funny, but trust me. I separate like the front part of my hair, and then I put the rest on a ponytail. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this, and I'm just gonna put it in the ends and a little bit more here, because we want this to look like almost wet. So then we just grab this and we brush it like this, and then I'm just gonna secure that front part. like this. And then I'm just gonna go overlay this with this one. Alright, so and then I'm just gonna take one of these and then just like I did this little band, and then I'm just gonna go around and then just leave it like this, and we're done. Outfit check. This is how we are going to the event.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next.
So we just back from the hotel, and actually my makeup wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. We tried to have dinner at a restaurant, but we couldn't because everything was booked out and the hotel kitchen was closed. It's like 9, like almost 10 p.m. So we ordered some food and we're just gonna have a bath, and that's it. The event was like super cool, like really nice, and yeah, we had like lots of fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone.
When a million things are running through, million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
I've had a very productive morning. I have just been working, and I think it's like 10 a.m. Had my coffee, drank some water. I really need to have some food because I'm hungry, but I've done almost everything that I needed to do because I just want to relax in, you know, like I don't want to work tomorrow. I think I'm gonna have to because I have to edit this vlog, but I am very proud of myself because I did everything I needed to get done, which is great. So now I'm just gonna relax a little bit, and I need to go and have some food, and I'm just gonna go around the shops as well. I just wanna see a few things for the house. I want to go to Zara Home because they have really cute things always, and same H&M, and we don't have Zara Home online, which is annoying. But yeah, that's what we are doing, guys. So I'll see you later.